तो हेलो बच्चों, जैसे कि मैंने वादा किया था कि हर ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे और सैटरडे को लाइव आऊँगा, तो उसी का ये कंटिन्यूएशन है। तो आई एम लाइव हियर and I welcome you, all of you, to be on this show, on this live stream. Most of the guys must be preparing for their exams, and my YouTuber friends can also join me today. So that's it. So how's it? आप लोग क्या कैसे चल रही है आपकी पढ़ाई लिखाई और लाइफ से जुड़े हुए सारे चीज़ें? अभी जो है आप लोगों को बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए पढ़ाई में ही। आई अंडरस्टैंड। सो दैट्स इट। तो ऐसे ही हमें भी अपनी लाइफ को अच्छा बनाने के लिए मेहनत करनी चाहिए। बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज़ मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है। तो all of us must work hard. That is very essential. Yet to come, the participants are yet to uh, so travelogue guide is in. Hello, sir. Hello. How are you? So I'm fine. Okay, that's nice. So very lesser number of participants. I'm also fine. It feels that all of the guys are busy uh, in their preparation, and am I not visible or what? So guys, do come in. I will wait for you for some time. Uh, but not finding many uh, participating today. Not many participants are there. Yesterday, I have uploaded a video for class 12 students on formulas, important formulas of physical chemistry. So those students who would be appearing for board exams, they can watch the video, note down the formulas in their handy diary, handy notebook, which they could be using at whichever time they want to, because it shouldn't be very big enough, as I have told you. Uh, so only one participant I'm seeing today. Very less participant. Uh, so let me see. It's only 7:40. I'll wait for some time for you people to join in. How to pass boards? Okay, no way. I mean, sorry, no way, no. Obviously, there is a way. When there is a way, there is a way. There is a saying. When there is a will, there is a way. So, first way is think that you will pass the exam. Once you have started thinking that you'll pass the exam, obviously you will. So, as again, when there is a way, when there is a will, there is a way. So, once you think that you can, you will. Just then don't take too much pressure on yourself, too much what should I say, too much uh, stress. Focus on the topics you have learned and have confidence that you can do it. Focus. Now your study should be focused on certain topics or the questions that you have been preparing throughout the year. That's essential. Okay, so that's the way you can do it. What is the equation formed when iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution? Right, listen, when iron is dipped in copper sulfate solution, it forms iron plus, when iron is dropped in copper sulfate, that means Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Fe plus CuSO4 will give FeSO4 plus Cu. Fe is more reactive than copper, so it will displace copper. The color of the copper sulfate, which was initially blue, after the reaction it will change into green due to the formation of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. Okay, so I hope you have got the answer. Someone writes, sir, tell some topics of class 12 chemistry. See, in physical chemistry, solid state, then thank yous, welcome. Um, in solid state, then electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, solution. These are scoring chapters. You prepare them well. Focus on the topics. You go through the sample paper the last 5 years. You will get some. You'll get to, or you come to know about the important topics, and prepare on those topics only. Questions are asked on those topics every year, just changing a bit. Then in organic part you must do, and the chapters at the end of the part 2 chemistry NCRT, that is biomolecules, uh, some biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life. These three chapters are very scoring. They need to be memorized. Not a lot of thinking is necessary to memorize. You memorize them, and you can score well. And whichever chapter you feel you can't, I don't know that a set should not be a one's problem. One should be prepared. So very less participants today, but as I have promised, so I have to be on the streaming. That's why I'm here. I'll be here till 8 o'clock. I'll be waiting for you all, and I think also it shows that you all are not pressing the notification icon. So most of the time, students are unable to know whether I am live streaming or not. So I would request the students to press their notification icon. That will let you know when I am on live. Why do we feel cool after morning exercise? Well, that was a question. This is because after morning exercise we sweat a lot, and the sweat has to evaporate, so it takes the body heat and evaporates, so that lowers down the temperature of the body and we feel cold. That's the only reason. Again, I'll repeat. When we exercise, af- there is a lot of sweating. You must have seen sweats coming on the forehead parts basically. So that sweat has to evaporate. For evaporation it needs heat, so it takes the heat from the body and the body feels cool. I hope you have got the answer. And there are many more videos for class 10, class 12, class 11, some motivational videos on my channel. You must uh, watch the videos. That will give you a good idea of uh, preparation and all. Okay, thanks. Mention not. So that's one should prepare. Please look into the videos based on motivation on my channel. There are a series of success mantra. There is time management video on time management. There is video on those who have not prepared, have not studied the year throughout, and they want to pass. A video is there on that also. So you can you can you can get a lot of ideas from there, and that will help you out. So do look into the videos uh, to get idea of how to prepare, what are the key points for exams, how to do well and all, time management skills, then how to avoid distractions. Um, if you have not studied, how to do it, how to start, how to stop worrying. And all this is because whenever we are in problem, we look at the problem in a bigger way. Just the reason for this, for that is our mind. We keep on thinking about various our problems and make it bigger, though it might not be so big, but by thinking over it again and again, we make it bigger. So, and we are the thoughts that come into our mind, it's actually being produced by us. So there is a special video on that, nahi padna mujhe, where I have talked about our mind in Hindi, obviously, that this our mind do not let us concentrate, do not uh, you know do our work. So we have to have control over our mind. Whenever we're trying to work on something, are unable to focus on, so it's our duty, we should talk to our mind at that time and say, tell the mind that stop it. 4 more minutes I'll be here, because not many participants, it says all are busy studying. So I want to, you know, I want to become a YouTuber. I have told before also, but uh, uh, that's possible only when all of you support me, love me, share my channel. Okay, so I would request that please uh, do share my channel, ask your know-hows to subscribe to my channel so that it grows. Okay, so I need your support. Please support me. It is sufficient to learn lab manual questions for practical board exam. Obviously, that will more than enough. Listen, in one of my video, I have told that there are two options. One option is that you read the experiments that are given in lab manual and learn the question at the end of the every experiment. Or there is a second way. Second way is that whichever sample paper you are practicing, you learn. There are many lab based question, practical based questions given in the sample paper. You learn them either of the two, any one of the two, either the lab manual and the questions, or the sample paper and the questions given in it. Sufficient, more than enough. If it looks you are a bit worried about your practical based questions, don't worry, just go through the questions. You will find that the questions are more or less the same. Yes, that's it. So that is what I can tell you. And please work hard for your exams. Do not waste time. It's very essential. Now I feel relaxed, sir. Thank you. I from whatever Uh, from your whatever I came to understand from your messages is that you were in tension. Now, if I had helped you, then I am also relieved that I have helped a student, and now he or she would be doing well. So that is why I am here to relax you for your exams. I'm here to help you. So that's it. So few more minutes I'll be here. It's 7:52, so 8 more minutes till 8 o'clock, as I have told. Now, if you can please pass on the message that I am live, you can. Then maybe more number of participants would be here. Okay. So you must now your strategy. I have given a 15-day strategy for students of class 10 and 12. What should be their strategies in these days to follow that strategy and don't um, be tensed. You can do it. Be motivated. Self motivation is the best thing. So, what to talk about? Um, the 10 key points essential, very essential. No panicking. Then, second, as far as I remember, do not no comparison of your preparation with the comparison of your friends. Then, having a small handy notebook for preparation. Then, revision on the topics which learned. Then 5 minute rule. I have told every 5 minutes, you whenever you feel not to study, tell yourself that I'll study for 5 minutes. Study it. Again you say to yourself, then take good health of yours and take good care of your health. So these were some which I remember. So you can go through that video. अरे यार कोई लाइव नहीं आ रहा है आज. मैं बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन से आया था कि लाइव होऊंगा, बट पार्टिसिपेंट्स भी ज़्यादा होंगे, पर मुझे लगा नहीं, गलत लगा शायद. एनीवेज, होता है ये. यू मस्ट बी preparing for your exams, most probably, so you could not be live. So please, Pranam sir. Okay, a little bit late. Pranam, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, Jai Bharat. It was very shocking, you know, when I heard the news. Very shocking for all Indians, for us to lose our beloved military personals who has been working for our safety. ओके, आपको पढ़ना ही चाहिए, पढ़िए, मन लगा के पढ़िए. So oh, see, it's I can say जय भारत. हम गर्व महसूस करते हैं हमारे जवानों पे, जो हमारी रक्षा करते हैं और अपने लाइव्स को हमारे लिए, उनकी लाइफ चली गई. हमारी संवेदना उनके फैमिली के साथ है, यही मैं बोल सकता हूँ. और वेरी सॉरी, यू नो, वी हैव लॉस्ट आवर ज्वेल्स. So that's it. Again he is सर ऑर्गेनिक में क्या पढ़े. सी, ऑर्गेनिक में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नेम रिएक्शन सारे याद कीजिए. कन्वर्जन्स, कॉमन क्वेश्चंस कन्वर्जन्स पे, ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्जन्स में क्वेश्चंस आते ही हैं, नेम रिएक्शंस पे आते ही हैं, डिस्टिंग्विशिंग टेस्ट आते ही है. आप पढ़ना ही होगा इनको. रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में कौन ज़्यादा एसिडिक है, कौन बेसिक है, कौन सोल्यूबल है, ऑर्डर ऑफ एसिडिटी, बेसिक कैरेक्टर, ये सारे इन टॉपिक्स को पढ़ लो. अल्काइल हैलाइड्स, अल्कोहल, then carbonyl compounds and amines. Go through it. So one more minute I'll be here, because as I promised I'll be here for half an hour. So I started the streaming at 7:30. So it's about one more minute when to for 8 p.m. It's good to see that all are busy in study. So keep the good work doing. Prepare for your exams. Don't waste your time. And memorization is also necessary. Memorize the question answer. Just don't go to the examination hall by going through the answers once. Do learn the answers to the question. Memorize, I would say. Understand and memorize, obviously. And don't waste time. No social networking rather, for these short period duration of time. So that's all the best to all of you. It's, well, just few seconds. I'm here. Let me complete. It's not 30 minutes still, because over. Let me complete my 30 minutes duration. It's 29 minute 50 seconds. So I'm here for a few more seconds. Once 30-minute duration is over, 4 more seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is Frank Guruji signing out.